Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Owen in California on this new Ranger RCI X9 HP. Yep, it's the big brother to the X9 HP. I'm sorry, to the X9. This is the HP. Ranger went to an RT6 final. Not sure exactly what the actual final really is, but it's rescreened and it's RT6 in the amp section. Makes some good power for such a small radio. As you know, the X9 makes around 150 or so. So let's just get right to it here. 100 watt scale, 5 watts. That way if you sat around an 8 pill or something with you get full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. 40 watts all the way up. Average power swing, hello, 92 bird average. Let's go over here to the peak side, 250 watt scale, hello, 250 on the money. That's a beast, man. 250 watts PEP. Let's roll the R power all the way down. So let's say you're going to put 5 watts of carrier into an 8. Hello, 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 hello. Still doing 250 peak. Alright, Owen, it's headed out to the West Coast, man. We appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been truckerized. You got wise and got truckerized. Bump, bump.
Get your truckerized